Yo, what's up? It's Casey here, and right now I'm heading to the bus station. I'm about to meet up with Andy, and then we're gonna head to the city. I'm gonna make some insane B-rolls. I promise you guys, it's gonna be one of the best B-rolls I've ever made. And I'm gonna take time editing, and yeah, I'm gonna use 4 hours on this vlog, and everything's just gonna be perfect. I promise you. And we might gonna head over to a car shop where there's some pretty cool cars, like some Lamborghinis, some Porsche, some Aston Martin, some Audis. Yeah, it's just gonna be lit. Let's get it. See ya. So we just made to the store, and we can start off with this Koenigsegg. It's so good at looking. Thumbnail. Hey. And we got a Lamborghini Aventador SV. It's so many nice cars. Right there we got a Porsche GT3 RS. Overall, this is so lit. It's so cool, and my camera's about to die because I'm so stupid and I didn't charge my camera before I went out vlogging. And right now we're at Auto Exo, so shout out to you. They got some awesome cars here, and I'm gonna keep on doing some B-rolls, and so it might happen my camera dies and I have to film with my iPhone, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Goodbye. Yo, what's up? So right now I'm made it just home, and you probably ask yourself, why the heck are you not at the city or in the city? And that's because I didn't vlog in the city and my camera's about to die. So I wouldn't think about the idea of switching to my phone if my camera died. So I don't want to go around with this phone and be vlogging hey yo, what's up, and so yeah. So I just decided to don't vlog in the city and just enjoy it and enjoy life, enjoy everything, and it was great. So yeah, right now as I made it home, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you like this content or my content or like things in general, and leave a like, subscribe, thumbs up, and yeah, leave a like and thumbs up. It's the same. With that said, thanks so much for watching. My camera's real about to die. I got 3% left. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Peace out.